Hello, my name is Amarin Sueapriew, or you can call me Nut. Today I'm gonna talk about phonetic sounds, but not quite all. So I'm gonna talk about P sound and B sound, and talking about what's the difference of this sound. And very important, I'm not on a language, then we will have some guests. Let's begin with about sounds. P sound is a sound from air from lungs that come up to lips and it come out like this. P, P. And about the others, B sounds is like P sounds. That's it. It's about B, B, B. The difference of these sounds is voice and voiceless. Voice is the sound that is like shaking, vibrating from saying or talking. It will sorry, it's not quite good. And voiceless is the sound that isn't shaking at all. It's come out and just that. And maybe these sounds P and B can be a minimal pair, which is the sound that come out like the others, but may differ a bit, made from bodies or voicing. And for our example of minimal pair, let's be Miss School part then. She and American people, then accent may be American English.
Beer, peer, base, pace, buy, pie, bride, pride, bee, pea, rib, rib, boo, poo, tribe, tribe.
And that is first minimal pair of P and B sound. Thank to Miss School
Okay, bye.
and thank you for your watching this, people. Bye.